Click on the link below to get price. The Canon Pro 2124 wide format fine art printer is an impressive addition to any artist's or photographer's toolkit, designed specifically for those who demand high-quality output and exceptional color accuracy. Upon unboxing, the robust construction of the printer is immediately noticeable. The sleek design not only complements any workspace but also emphasizes its professional-grade capabilities. Setting up the Pro 2100 is a straightforward process, with Canon providing clear instructions and helpful guides. The user-friendly interface and intuitive controls make navigating through various features effortless, even for those who may not be tech-savvy. The printer supports a wide range of media, from fine art paper to canvas, and the 24-inch print width allows for a variety of creative possibilities. One of the standout features of the Canon Pro 2100 is its advanced Lucia Pro ink system, which utilizes 8 colors plus a chroma optimizer. This results in stunning color reproduction, deep blacks, and impressive tonal range. The details in prints are sharp and vibrant, making it a favorite for photographers looking to showcase their work in galleries. The printer also boasts an incredible longevity, with prints resistant to fading for up to 100 years under proper conditions. Additionally, the built-in calibration and color management tools elevate the user experience, ensuring that the colors on screen match the final output. The printer's ability to handle large volumes without compromising quality is another significant advantage, making it ideal for professional studios. While the initial investment may seem steep, the quality and versatility of the Canon Pro 2100 justify the price. It's an excellent choice for serious artists, photographers, and creatives looking for precision and reliability in their printing process. Overall, the Canon Pro 2100 is a worthy investment that offers exceptional performance, making it a standout in the fine art printer market.